everybody. Wanted to give you a little bit of review today on the replacement blades for the Ninja blender. We had noticed that the blades on our Ninja blender were getting a little bit dull. These are the original ones. We're getting a little dull over time, and so we decided to try just getting a new one and see if that would bring a little bit of life back into our blender. And man, we have been so happy with this. As you can see, they are a slightly different design than the original. This is the replacement that we bought, but it fits and works perfectly inside the Ninja blenders. I've had no issue with these. The blades themselves are super sharp, very high quality stainless steel that they are made out of. Everything works perfectly. Could not recommend more highly. 5 out of 5 stars if you are looking for a replacement for your blender.